Hello, smart people, and welcome to Instructor Allison Online Tutorials. In this probability video tutorial, we're going to solve this problem. And the question says, a number of families of a particular type were measured by the number of children they contain to give the following frequency distribution. Now look at this frequency distribution. We have number of children, we have the row for that, and then the number of families, which contains all this number. This falls under what we call the empirical, or what we call the experimental probability. And of course, experimental probability is talking about the probability that you have the result already measured. You're going to be working on the result that they already have, that they have measured concurrent times or several number of times. And that's what we mean by experimental. Like you see that from this table, they have gotten this information, these data. So the question says, using this information, this data we have gotten, to calculate the probability that another family of this type we have A, 2 children, B, 3 or more children, then C, less than 2 children. Now, to solve this problem, you would need the formula, especially the formula we use when we're talking about empirical probability. And what is that formula? That formula is probability of an event will be equal to the number of times the event occurs, which is f of e. Remember, e here represents event, all over the total frequency. The total frequency. So this is the formula we're going to use to fix this problem. So the A part of this problem is saying, what is the probability that another family of this type will have 2 children? So probability of 2 children will be equal to, so what is the f of e? What is the number of times the event occur for this particular one? Go and locate 2 children, which is this. This is the row for children. Under that, we look for where 2 is, and we can just get it here. Under 2, we're having 22. So 22 is now the number of times that event occurs. So we have 22 over, then sigma f is talking about the total frequency. So that means we have to add up everything we're having here. Let's do that right away. 12 plus 28, that will give us 40. And 40 plus 22, that will give us 62. 62 plus 8, that will be 70. 70 plus 2 and plus 2, that will be 74. So we have this to be 74. And that is the answer to that problem. It's not really necessary you reduce that, but if you want to do that, it's completely up to you. But that is the solution to that problem. Then the B part of the question is the probability of 3 or more. So probability of 3 or more will be equals, let's locate 3. 3 or more means from the position of 3 and then more, which is 4, 5 or more. So 3, we have under it 8. We have 4 also under it 2, 5 under it. We have 2 again. So the probability that we're having 3 children or more would be 8 plus 2 plus, start from the position where you saw 3. So it becomes 8 plus 2 plus 2. Then 8 plus 2, that will be 10, plus another 2, that will be 12. So that becomes 12 over the total number, which is 74. We fixed that problem also. Now the last one is, what is the probability that they have less than 2 children? Less than 2 children. They mentioned 2. 2. That doesn't mean we are going to start from the position of 2. They say less than 2, meaning we're going to consider this one and this one. So under 1 and 0, we have 28 and 12. So that will be less than 2. Less than 2 children will be equal to, what do we have? 28 plus 12 over 74. So what is 28 plus 12? That will give us 40. So we have this to be 40 over 74, and this is the result to this problem. We have been able to solve for A, B, and C, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you do, consider hitting the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that by the time I upload new video, you receive notification, and consider to like this video, share, and drop a nice comment if you really found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.